If you remember from one of my previous vlogs,
And it does make my life a little bit easier.
Sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Hi guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon and my channel is pretty much my way of documenting my life, just getting it all together one Sunday at a time. I share everything from my daily routines to the little things that keep me grounded. Nothing crazy, just the real stuff. So if that's your jam, definitely consider subscribing. And for those of you who are returning back, you know I appreciate you so much. Anyway, good morning and happy Sunday. It's a little around 7 a.m. on a beautiful Sunday and I'm starting this day nice and early. I know Sunday mornings are to sleep in, but I feel so much better when I wake up a little early, take some time for myself and just ease into the day. So today we're gonna keep things pretty chill. We're gonna go out for a brunch and let's see on our way if we can get some groceries. So yeah, let's get into it.
so we are finally here. If you remember from one of my previous vlogs, we tried coming to Colaba Coffee, I think last year. It was summer and their air conditioning was down, so we had to leave unfortunately. But today, fingers crossed, everything's good. We have been so excited to try out their coffee, so today's the day. Let me take you inside.
the coffee.
guys, so we are done with our brunch and the food was very mediocre. I think I would rate it 6.5 or 7 out of 10, but the coffees were a solid 9. The coffees were really good. I think they need to improvise on their presentation and also make the food a little bit more interesting. So yeah, that's my shabeel on my experience with Colaba Coffee. Now that we are done with our food, we need to head out to a local grocery store to restock some things. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm back from the grocery store and we spent a total of 1347 rupees and this is what I got. So in my last grocery restock, I purchased these tapioca crisps and I really love them. So I repurchased them. This is in the extra cheesy flavor and I also got a classic one. This is the plain salted flavor. And then we were out of Tabasco, so I got this. Some black salt, some dark and white chocolate chips, soy milk, dark soy sauce, butter. You know my obsession with these agape Greek yogurt, especially in the peach flavor, so I got 2 of these. Some veggie burger patties, disinfectant wipes, roasted vermicelli, black sesame seeds, rolled oats and a Vim bar. So this was my grocery haul and now I'm gonna put all of this away and I will see you guys in a while. It is 3:30 p.m. and we are at my desk right now because another thing I like to do on Sundays is prep my weekly spread in my bullet journal. You know, I cannot do without it. Like my life feels so organized when I do this step and I cannot miss it. So we are gonna do this together. It is one of my favorite Sunday rituals, like it's my creativity outlet and it makes me feel that I can tackle anything that comes along the way. Alright guys, so this is my weekly spread from 24th Feb to 28th Feb and I love how simplistic this is and it took me only 10 minutes to create it. And yeah, now I'm excited for March spread, so let's see how that turns out to be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this spread.
Hi guys, it's a little while later and we are in my kitchen. If you know me, you know my obsession with homemade granola. I honestly can't get enough of granola, especially if it is homemade. So every Sunday I prep a big batch for the upcoming week, and that is what I'm gonna do right now. So if you haven't watched my detailed recipe, I will link the vlog where I shared each and every detail, each and every measurement. So make sure you check it out. It is so easy and so delicious. You have to try it. AB is so obsessed with it. Like whenever he's hungry, like in the middle of the day, he will pick up the jar and start snacking on it as it is, like without any milk, without yogurt. He just loves it. So I have to prepare a big batch every Sunday, and it does make my life a little bit easy. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly share some glimpses of it. I'm not gonna bore you with the entire recipe today. For that, you can check out my vlog. Granola looks extra toasty today and the kitchen smells so good. We love our granola to be extra toasty, so that's fine. I love this texture. Now we are gonna add some fun toppings like the chocolate chips and some black raisins. Alright guys, my granola is all prepped. This is a huge jar and it's all gonna finish in 1 week. And with that, it is time to wrap up this vlog. I know this was a shorter vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and you got a glimpse of how I spend my Sundays. Sundays are meant to chill and recharge for the week ahead. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna unwind. It is around 5 p.m. right now and all I wanna do is get into my comfy clothes, wash my face and just sit down, sip on my green tea. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked any part of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you love my content, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long.